Hey everybody, welcome back. Check it out. Here we have the Durafly 1100mm Spitfire. This is pretty cool. Awesome looking ARF. You can see it down on the box here. This is the box it comes in. There's not too much on this box other than this, so we'll get to taking it out and show you how to put it together. There we have the wing, obviously on the top here. Get my knife, we'll cut it out. See how it's packaged. There is that. You can see we've got some cool looking detail. We've got lights in the wingtips here. The retracts already installed. Obviously you're going to have to do your linkages, but you've got split flaps which have some really cool detail. Looks great. Got the little scoop. Good looking camo on the top. Looks like it made the trip pretty well. Very good. Here's what the rest looks like in there. Fuselage and the other bits. Let's start digging those out. Looks really nice. There's your Aerostar speed control. A couple servos. Check out the hatch here. Here's where your battery will go. Magnets on the hatch. Your receiver must go in there, so we got the wires for that. Very cool. See the motor. We've got some of the scoops. Here we have the spinner, which looks like you can see is going to be for a 5-bladed prop. So in this box here we have, you can see the guns that go on the wings. Here's all your control horns and linkages, and I would assume those would probably be screws for the wing. Next up we'll have our elevator halves. You want to make sure to work those, free those up before you get them installed. But look at the detail, like the trim tab on there. It's got the little, trying to get a good view there for you. It's got the little linkage on it and stuff. Very cool. Here's the other one. Make sure you free those up. Here is your big 5-bladed prop. That is really cool. That's going to look awesome once that's all installed. And it looks like last but not least, you have a carbon spar. I'm going to guess it goes in the tail here. And that's all I'm finding. Okay, just a quick show here. You can see these bags are all labeled. Broke everything out. Elevator flap, aileron, rudder, your wing screws. Here is the prop and spinner. Here we've got a little antenna to go on top of the fuselage. Got our wing guns here. The elevators. You can see the light in the tip there. Splits. Very cool. Now I noticed with these, because there will be a left and a right scoop, you'll notice where the wires run through. You'll see that this would be the correct one for this side, because once you come around here, you'll want the wire to go through that channel, right? So that's how those will glue on. Likewise on this side. Go in there like so. That's some really cool scale touch. So next, we'll start installing control horns and stuff and go on from there. So I'll give you guys a little close-up on some of this. It's kind of hard to show in the videos sometimes, but give you guys a good little rundown. Alright. Okay, we'll start working on the wing. We'll do the flaps and the ailerons. Get your little horns on, installed. Screws will come up from the bottom side into these, and then your linkages will go on from there. So once I get the wing done, we'll be right back. Okay, on putting the control linkages on the ailerons, you'll notice you got 2 screws for each. There'll be a shorter one, and then there'll be a longer one for the thicker section of the wing. So something to point out, so you guys, keep a lookout for. So I've got them all on. I've just got these setting in place. I'll glue them on after I get everything else done and I'm done moving around with it. The linkages, I'm going to wait until I get it all bound up and hooked up to the radio so I can adjust them to get them neutraled just right out of the gate. So it didn't come with any glue, so I've got some welder's glue. I'll probably glue these pieces on, or Foam Safe CA I'm sure is probably just as good. So next I'll start working on the fuselage. Got the rudder one on. You can see here you're going to make sure you use the right side, because obviously it's got to be hooked to the tail wheel steering. There you can see kind of how they do that. So next I'll install the elevators. Okay, elevators are installed. You just push them in, make sure they meet together here. Put your screw on each side. There you go. Like I said, leaving these off till I get the radio on and bound up. And then we'll go from there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to feed the wires from the wing up through here, get everything up to where the receiver is going to go, and get the wing installed. And then it'll be time to probably turn on the radio and get everything centered up. Be right back. Okay, we've got her all bound up. Get it sitting here in the center. You can see we've got our lights on. The radio's making it do things. Nothing's hooked up yet, but flip it over and show you the retracts anyway. So here's the retract operation. Pretty cool. Tail wheel. So we'll get the rest of the linkages on and the prop, then we'll be back, be about ready to fly. Okay, we've got all the linkages on. Got our ailerons going, rudder, got our flaps. We'll glue the bits on, then we'll get the CG done, and we should be good to go.